Welcome to our comprehensive guide on drawing blood using the Vaku-8 Ejecto auto-release blood collection holder. Before drawing the blood sample, keep the following things on the collection tray: a new blood collection tube, a new Vaku-8 blood collection needle, a Vaku-8 Ejecto auto-release blood collection holder, a pair of gloves, alcohol swabs, a gauze pad, an adhesive bandage, and a sharps container. Put on gloves and ensure that the patient should be in a comfortable position, which is also convenient for performing the venipuncture. Apply the tourniquet for a brief time while you search for a vein. Palpate the area to locate the vein for venipuncture. The vein should be fixed or held taut during the puncture. To do this, place the thumb about an inch below where the needle has to enter from and press down, and at the same time, pull the skin toward the hand. The fingers of one hand should be around and underneath, grasping the arm as the thumb stretches the skin and holds the vein still. Prepare the venipuncture site with an alcohol swab cleanse in a circular motion, beginning at the site and working outward. Take the blood collection needle from the tray. Take the blood collection ejecto holder in your hand, press the white button to reset the holder. Remove the bottom cover, pushing the needle through the holder slowly, and then screw the needle onto the holder. Remove the top cover of the blood collection needle and arrange the needle in line with the vein. The needle should be introduced at about a 25-degree angle with the skin. Insert the needle into the vein. Connect the collection tube to the rubber end of the blood collection needle by gently pushing it onto the connector inside the blood collection holder, and ensure the tube is fully pressed over the needle. Allow blood to flow into the tube using vacuum until you have obtained the required amount. Release the tourniquet before removing the needle. Slowly withdraw the needle from the vein while keeping the patient's arm in a downward position. Apply pressure with a dry pad cotton ball. Hold the device downward position over the disposable container opening. Press the blue button to release the blood collection needle inside the disposable sharp container. Push the white button to reset the holder. Know more about the Vaku-8 blood collection set, visit at hemdhealthcare.com.